A good day to all. Welcome to ATL Marathon 23-24.
I'm Sohan RK and here are my teammates
Immanuel Kakde
and Anup Savanur.
We are from class 7, Excel Public School, Mysore.
We worked on the problem statement, designed toys and games for children of age 2 to 12 years to learn better in an interactive and fun way under theme education and skill development.
We designed and developed a kit along with an app that can be used in schools and homes so that children of age 4 to 7 years can develop fine motor skills along with language skills.
Fine motor skills involve small muscles working with the brain and nervous system to control movements in areas such as the hands, fingers, lips, tongue, and eyes. These are crucial skills that need to be developed in young children to succeed in life.
We also found in a survey that giving children ample opportunities to express themselves, hands-on activities, narrating stories, and giving adequate chances to communicate with their peers are the best ways to improve children's language skills.
So, we choose to design and develop a kit that focuses on developing multiple fine motor skills and language skills. The kit is simple to use and the materials are user-friendly.
Our kit consists of cut pieces of MDF board, connectors, small sticks, different colored A4 size chart sheets, scissors, and a marker. All the above materials are packed in small pouches. Along with these materials, instruction cards are provided. These cards explain how to use the kit. All the listed materials are packed in a transparent plastic box. The logo pictures are stuck on the kit along with the QR code of the app.
The kit has 3 levels to complete. In the first level, children make animals or build some characters using the materials provided to them. The first level offers children a wide variety of materials. This level has 2 sub-levels, making animals with cut pieces of a board and making characters using sticks and different connectors. First, children can attempt to use the MDF cut pieces to make at least 2 animals to go to the second level.
In level 2, the child has to place the animals which are made in level 1 on A4 size sheet and trace it with a marker. Now the child cuts the shape traced on the sheet.
In level 3, the child has to narrate a story using the 4 animals or characters. The story is recorded in the app. The app counts the number of words that are not repeated used in the story. This count is stored under the child's name in the database.
Every time the child uses the kit, he or she needs to choose a different set of materials in level 1 to make the characters for the new story. The app counts the number of words in the new story and compares it with the old list of words. The app also shows the graph of how the child is improving in using more number of new words every time the child uses the kit.
Thank you.